Welcome to Ocean Alexander. Today I want to walk you through the 35-meter world debut of the new OA, Ocean Alexander. Come on aboard. This is the beach club area. You'll notice that we have some L-shaped seating. We got a refrigerator back here and also an ice maker. And then just down below, you're going to have a full workout room. And next to that's going to be a sauna. But you also have access to a workshop down there in your engine room. We also built the boat back here with a full head and shower, purposely so that if you're back here enjoying the back of the boat with your friends and kids, you've got a place back here to take a quick shower, use the restroom. This is a gym where you would put a treadmill, and right across from it's a full sauna. This area also has private access into a workshop in the engine room. As you can also see, as you look forward, you can see through to the aft deck seating up there. That's a really neat area, a lot of fun to sit there. We'll show you that as we go upstairs. So as you come into the aft deck, you're going to notice we've taken the traditional U-shaped seating and turned it the other way. This way, when you're sitting back here now, you're not looking at the glass in the face of the salon. You're actually looking out the back of the boat. So as you make your way back here, this is, as you can tell, you can see right through the beach club. So if you're anchored out with a boat like this, and you've got the kids playing, or you've got jet skis out there, or a boat comes up, you can see what's going on behind the boat. Got your dual electric doors to enter you into the salon. This boat is just over 25 feet in beam, and volume-wise, it's 299 gross tons. This is a tremendous volume boat. Full walk-arounds. TV drops from the ceiling. Got really nice furniture throughout this. Really nice area for having conversations. Got a full bar over here to our starboard side, and then a dining room table for 10. Our galley is just forward of this. There's two entrances, one on the port side over here, and there's one around the corner on the starboard. But as you make your way into this working galley, great for any chef. This has got full refrigeration, additional refrigeration and freezers, dishwasher, everything you possibly could use. And then inside this pantry, we also have an additional refrigeration as well. Awesome pantry here as well. This crew on this boat is forward. So as you make your way forward of this galley, you'll see down these stairs. This will take you down to the crew's quarters. You'll see down there. There's two entrances into this crew's quarters. One is where we just came from the galley. Got a really huge dining area here for the crew. TV on the wall, sink, stove, refrigerator. As you make your way down this hallway here, we have 4 additional Hachitaki freezers in here. This is great for as you do those long trips. Also, 2 commercial washer and dryers. We also have an additional washer and dryer right outside that sauna and in the workshop there. You also have a private access. This will take you into one of the 4 lower staterooms. So as you make your way into here, these are your 4 lower staterooms down here. This allows the crew to come in here and clean this quickly and get back in, and then they can utilize their washer and dryers. As we make our way back through the galley, got your day head here. Straight forward is your on-deck master. Full beam, king-size bed, 2 walk-in closets on the port and starboard side. These are very impressive. All the furniture is finished off. You have a safe in there, all backlit, just beautiful. As you make your way into the head, master head here, you've got a his and hers head, his and hers sinks, and then a shower and centralized here. But we also brought in some natural light from the bow. 4 great suites down here. Each of them have their own in-suite heads. The 2 aft ones are queen-size beds, TV, vanity, private closet, in-suite head, in-suite shower. Huge windows over here. I mean, each one of these rooms, the windows that are in these bedrooms are unbelievable. This one you can see a little bit better, just so you can see the natural light that comes through in a room of this size. The 2 other VIPs, these can be either individual oversized single beds, or we push them together and it becomes a king size bed. So at the end of the day, you can have 3 full size beds and 2 more for a total of 5. How big that shower is in there for one of your guest staterooms. This 35 meters a tri-deck. So this is your sky lounge area. Great for movies. Got a full big 55-inch television there. You got a nice bar up here as well. All your glassware for this area up here, wine glasses to bourbon glasses to whatever you like. Let's go to the Helm area. So just forward of the sky lounge, we have the Helm. 3 extremely large screens, carbon fiber dash, stid chairs. Just a very, very impressive area. Large desk here for the captain. TV can be added here. You got a door on each side, port and starboard, to access the bow. He has a wired remote to be able to dock the boat from here and also the aft deck. So this is your bridge aft deck. Dining room table for 10, all under cover. And then we created this seating in the back here. 2 L-shaped couches, real deep seating, facing aft. And then the seating does collapse within itself, so you can put up here 2 jet skis with your davit over here on your port side. This is just another great entertaining area on this tri-deck. So let's take you up to the sun deck. Again, for a 114-foot boat, meaning 35 meters and 299 gross tons, this boat has a tremendous amount of volume, and you can see that up here on the sun deck. You've got couches here. You can sit either way, but tons of entertaining room while the boat's moving. Friends, family, owners can sit up here and face forward, but they also have a full bar up here as well. We will also be installing 4 bar stools that can take you around this as well. Nice 5-person hot tub with sun loungers on both sides. This is actually a pretty cool snapshot of the bow, which we'll go up and visit in a minute, but you can see that massive sun pad up there, and then we have U-shaped seating as well. Your Marquette ladder stores in the starboard side. So the bow seating we just showed you upstairs from the sun deck, now you can see at the lower level here. This is just a massive area of the boat. When the boat's riding, if you want to have it in the sun pad situation, these lift up. And if you're up here with guests, and you want to have it where you can sit down, the very end of those cushions lift up the same way. So they go both directions. U-shaped seating, just tons of space. 10 people can easily space out here and have a great time. All of our indirect lighting, which makes it nice. Dual anchors. Great workspace up here for the crew while they got fenders ready and lines ready. This area up here really works well. This is the entrance to the engine room in the workshop. We got a dedicated room for our water makers. And we have our cable master on this side as well. We got an additional washer dryer down here for the workout room. So we have an Atlas system here. This way you can use the boat anywhere in the world. It'll convert your power 50 hertz, 60 hertz, however see fit, but this takes care of that. This is where we were earlier. This is the gym and the sauna, just so you can see you have another entrance into this area. So these are twin 2600 horsepower MTUs. We have twin 55 kW Kohler generators. We got an eco waste treatment system on the boat. We got dual water makers, which we showed you earlier. This boat has just about everything you could imagine. It is ready to go. But wanted to at least get you to see the engine room before we concluded in the back. Thank you again for joining me for the 35-meter Ocean Alexander walkthrough. This again is the world debut at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show 2021. My name's Scott Roberton. Any information I can help you with, 727-638-7890.